Meaning of insemination.
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 Insemination. Insemination refers to the process of introducing semen into the reproductive system to promote fertilization. This can be achieved through natural intercourse or artificial insemination techniques such as intrauterine insemination or in vitro fertilization. The goal of insemination is to increase the chances of pregnancy, especially in cases of infertility or same-sex couples wishing to have children. The semen sample used for insemination may come from a partner or a donor. Insemination may also be used for animal breeding purposes. Overall, insemination is a method that allows for greater control over conception and reproduction.